guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best inflatable kayaks that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Intex Dakota Inflatable Kayak. The Intex Inflatable Kayak is a great choice for anyone looking for an adventure on the water. With its unique design and durable construction, it can hold up to 400 pounds of weight, making it ideal for 2 people. The kayak has been designed to provide speed and agility in the water. Its long skeg is perfect for straight-line tracking and the short skeg is great for quick and easy turns. Moreover, the puncture-resistant vinyl with 3 separate air chambers and an inflatable I-beam floor makes it incredibly sturdy and reliable. In terms of ease of handling, the kayak makes things easy both in and out of the water. It comes with adjustable and removable inflatable seats that are equipped with backrests as well as 2 dry bags and a carry bag for carrying the kayak and accessories when not in use. All in all, this kayak is an excellent choice for anybody looking to explore their adventurous side on the water. It is built to last and its features make it an extremely user-friendly kayak that can be used by both beginners and experienced users alike, which is why it tops our list. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Elkton Outdoors Inflatable Kayak. The Elkton Outdoors Inflatable Kayak is an impressive and convenient kayak solution for individuals ready to take their fishing game to the next level. The kayak inflates in only minutes from its compact storage size to a full-size kayak. It is constructed with durable 18-gauge, rip-resistant 1000 DPVC, making it tear and hook resistant so you don't have to worry about springing a leak when you are out on the lake. What's more, this inflatable kayak is compact and lightweight without compromising performance, making it a great alternative to a traditional kayak. This package includes all the fishing kayak accessories you need for your day on the lake. Adjustable seats, 2 vertical and 4 trolling rod holders, double-sided oars, a double action pump, and carry bag are all included so you can hit the water with ease. At number 3, we have the Intex Explorer Inflatable Kayak. Next up, we have another inflatable kayak by one of the most popular brands in this industry, Intex. This is the perfect 2-person inflatable kayak for lakes and mild rivers. It boasts a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds, making it great for families or those wanting to go on a group adventure. This sit-on-top kayak also has an adjustable inflatable seat with a backrest and spacious cockpit, allowing anyone to find the perfect fit and comfort while they canoe. The skeg is easily removable and provides directional stability while on the water so you won't worry about losing control or hitting surfaces with the kayak. Additionally, the bright yellow color of this kayak helps visibility in case of an emergency. This particular kayak is user-friendly and efficient for transport and storage, inflating and deflating in a matter of minutes with the high-output air pump provided. At number 2, we have the Driftson Inflatable Kayak. Seeking the most durable option on the marketplace? Check out the almighty Driftson Inflatable Kayak. It is an excellent choice for swimmers and adventurers who value speed and maneuverability. This kayak has a rocker profile and pointed nose entry, bow, that delivers powerful performance in both calm and choppy waters. The durable design includes a heavy-duty PVC tarpaulin bottom for puncture protection, double-threaded Boston valves to prevent leakage, and a tough 840D coated nylon Oxford fabric top cover that resists ripping and tearing. In addition to its strong build, the Driftson Voyager kayak is also extremely convenient in terms of transport as it easily inflates in less than 5 minutes with the included deluxe high-flow double-action hand pump. When deflated, the whole package including paddles fits nicely into the included carry bag. The lightweight design makes this kayak suitable for one person to handle, as it weighs only 27 pounds. It also comes with everything you need, from aluminum kayak paddles with ergonomic grip handles to a deluxe double-action hand pump. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sevylor Inflatable Kayak. The Sevylor Inflatable Kayak is the perfect all-in-one kayak, designed to make sure you get the most out of your time on the water. This kayak features a quick 5-minute setup, so you don't have to spend hours setting up the kayak and more time enjoying the experience. Plus, its easy-to-carry backpack system quickly turns into a comfortable seat, making it even easier for you to get into the water. For durability and reliability, the kayak boasts a 21-gauge PVC construction, which is tough enough to handle your adventures in lakes and rivers. It also has a tarpaulin bottom which provides puncture protection, so you won't have to worry about unexpected damage while out on the water. To keep you safe and afloat, there are multiple air chambers that will stay inflated even if one of them is punctured. Not only is this kayak functional, but it also has added comfort to make your ride more enjoyable. The backrest lets you lean back and relax, while the multi-position footrest allows you to find your most comfortable position. With its quick setup time and rugged construction, you can feel confident that this kayak will take you wherever you want to go, worry-free.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.